In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Ads account language. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your Google Ads interface appears in the language that's most comfortable for you. This is especially helpful if you manage campaigns across regions or simply want your workspace to feel more familiar. First, look to the left side of your Google Ads screen. In the navigation bar, click Admin, then select Preferences. This is the central place where you control account-level appearance and personal settings, so it's the right spot for adjusting how things look and read while you work. Once you're in Preferences, find the option labeled Display Language and Number Format and click it. This section controls both the language used throughout your Google Ads interface and how numbers, dates, and separators appear. That means it can influence whether you see commas or periods in large numbers, and how dates are formatted, which can make reporting easier to read depending on your region. Now, change the display language to the one you prefer. Pick the language that helps you read menus, settings, and reports comfortably. As you make this change, remember that it only affects your interface. It does not translate your ads, keywords, or customer-facing content. It also doesn't change how your campaigns run or who sees your ads. It simply adjusts the language you see while managing the account. Because this setting lives in Preferences, it's tied to the account view you're working in. If you regularly switch between different accounts or a manager account and individual accounts, keep in mind you may want to repeat these steps in each place to keep things consistent. Also, since display language and number format live together, choosing the right region can help ensure numbers and dates are presented in a way that feels natural to you, reducing the chance of misreading budgets, bids, or report metrics. After you've chosen your language, you'll notice the interface reflect your selection as you continue working. It's a simple change, but it can make navigating tools, reading recommendations, and reviewing reports much faster. And there you go. Click Admin, open Preferences, choose display language and number format, and set the display language you want. That's all. If this walkthrough helped, keep these steps handy for teammates so everyone can work in the language that suits them best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.